Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. Benefits of doing meditation. Meditation does require a lot of persistent practice and dedication. If you have been suffering both mentally and physically, it is always best suggested to ensure that you indulge in yoga and meditation to bring in peace to your mind and body. Meditation has been found to have amazing benefits in impacting both the physical as well as the mental health of an individual. Ever thought of what the benefits could be? Doing meditation can have a number of benefits that you don't even realize in the process. If you are just as confused as some other people around, we do have a brief rundown of all the benefits that you could possibly look into. Reduce stress. It goes without saying that the primary and the most common health benefits of meditation lies in the proper stress management. Being able to concentrate and get rid of the unwanted shielding of stress is often achieved effectively when someone tries and meditates with full concentration. Helps battle depression. You will often observe that meditation does impact one's mental health more than it affects their physical health. It is actually important to have an approach that does cater to it. That being said, meditation benefits in the cure of depression effectively. Several studies conducted have deduced ways to find the same. Helps subdue anxiety. While there could be a number of ways to treating anxiety, science believes that the health benefits of meditation expand to healing this mental health issue as well. It is important to understand that nothing is achieved within a day. Mastering the art of meditation and channeling the positive energy for better health does take some time. Enhances gray matter concentration. Gray matter in our brain is the accumulation of nucleus in them. One of the most common scientific benefits of meditation is the fact that it helps in increasing the gray matter concentration in the brain. Even a conducted study by Harvard neuroscientists has confirmed the same. Enhances self-awareness. There are actually a few varieties of meditation that helps contribute to better generation of self-awareness within us. It not just helps you develop a better understanding of your inner self, but also lets you cultivate yourself to become a best version of you. Focus and attention. One of the best benefits of meditation is that it contributes to better improvement of the focus and attention. In several studies conducted, the researchers have pointed out that it became a lot easier for the person to have better focus and concentration on the work they are indulging in. Improves attention span. Next on the list of the benefits of meditation is that it helps in improving one's attention span. If you are someone who is very restless and takes around time to get around being attentive, the best way to bring it back on track is by indulging in any form of meditation that works best for them. Delayed risks of age-related memory loss. In a number of studies conducted relating to the age-related memory loss, it was found that doing curtain kriya was actually beneficial enough in reversing the impacts and prevailing presence of such conditions altogether. This is a constant chant of a string of mantras which has been proven beneficial in improving memory. Boosts decision-making skills. Studies have shown that people who have been long-time meditators have the benefit of developing better girification, which is associated with better decision-making skills in our brain. Scientists have confirmed, stating that better the girification, better is the decision-making skills of the individual. Churn feelings of kindness. One of the best benefits of meditation has been found to instill feelings of kindness in the minds of individuals. If you haven't heard of metta, it is a type of meditation which instills a feeling of loving and kindness in the minds of the person doing it. Practicing it can make you a better person with time. Meditation is beneficial for us. If you have been skeptical about this, it is time to make amends to your thoughts and try it out for yourself to see the starking benefits altogether. Just ensure that you are practicing it correctly and are determined to get the best out of it. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.